When the Lord says huwag kang matakot, hindi po yan suggestion. Hindi po yan suggestion. Utos po yan. Huwag kang matakot. Hindi sinabi ni Lord na huwag kang matakot kung kaya mong huwag matakot. Sa Bible pwedeng lumungkot, pero huwag kang mag-aalala at huwag kang matatakot. Be strong and courageous. Have I not told you? Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo? Joshua 1:9. Lakasan mo ang iyong loob mo, magpakatatag ka, diba? Tibayin mo ang iyong loob, huwag ka matatakot, ni mawawala ng pag-asa. Ako si Yahweh, ang iyong Diyos ay sa iyo, saan ka man pumunta. Do not fear, you are under God's protection. Until it's your time to go home, that's the only time the Lord would allow you to go home, so He could welcome you with open arms and give you the highest accolades all of us are dreaming of. Well done, my good and faithful servant. Share the joy of your master. But not until that day, you are under God's protection.